Simple and easy installation by one-touch conjugation design and ABF function. This is a new bracket for WV-CW500 and WV-NW500 camera series, designed for simple and easy installation. First, you just loop through the cable on the hull. This can be done in a second. And next, you just twist the camera to fix it on the base mount. Let's see how it's working from the upward. The cable pockets on the bracket leave quick and neat cabling. This is a comparison of an installation time between Panasonic's WV-NW502 and a conventional camera. As you can see, 2 installers are required for a conventional camera installation. However, just 1 installer is enough for Panasonic's WV-NW502 installation. Panasonic's WV-NW502 installation is done in about 90 seconds. Conventional camera installation took about 6 minutes. Panasonic's WV-NW502 needs only 1/4 of a time compared with conventional camera installation. In addition, ABF function also assists easy installation.